Hi everyone, welcome to another exciting video. Today, we'll be talking about the top 5 best 8000 BTU window air conditioner that you can find on Amazon. Whether you're searching for specific benefit, this video has you covered. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future content. I've carefully selected these products based on detailed research and personal experience, ranking them by their performance, features, and price. You can find all the links to these products in the description below for more details and updated pricing. Did you know that an 8000 BTU window air conditioner can cool a room up to 350 sq.ft while consuming less energy than a hairdryer? Welcome to our channel. Today, we're unveiling the top 5 best 8000 BTU window air conditioners of 2025. If you're tired of sweltering summers and skyrocketing energy bills, you're in the right place. We'll explore models that offer powerful cooling, energy efficiency, and smart features to keep your space comfortable. Stay tuned as we break down each unit's pros and cons, helping you make an informed decision. And remember, all the products we discuss are linked in the description below, so if you find your perfect match, you can grab it easily. Let's dive in and find the ideal cooling solution for your home. Let's not waste time and jump straight into the best picks for top 5 best 8000 BTU window air conditioner. At number 5 is Keystone High Efficiency Operation. Did you know that the Keystone 8000 BTU inverter window air conditioner can reduce energy consumption by up to 27% compared to standard models? This Energy Star rated unit efficiently cools rooms up to 350 sq.ft, making it ideal for bedrooms and small living spaces. Its inverter technology ensures precise temperature control, while the flash cool function delivers rapid cooling when needed. The washable filter and check filter alerts simplify maintenance, and the quiet operation enhances comfort. When compared to top models, the Keystone offers competitive performance with added features like a 24-hour programmable timer and sleep mode. While it may lack some smart connectivity options, its affordability and efficiency make it a strong contender among the best 8000 BTU window air conditioners. If you're seeking reliable cooling without breaking the bank, the Keystone is a worthy choice. At number 4 is BLACK+DECKER BD08WT6. Did you know the BLACK+DECKER BD08WT6 can cool a 350 sq.ft room in just 15 minutes? This 8000 BTU window air conditioner is a game changer for small spaces. Its compact design and easy installation make it perfect for bedrooms, offices, and apartments. With 4 cooling modes: auto, low, medium, and high, you can customize your comfort effortlessly. The digital LED display and remote control add convenience, allowing you to adjust settings without leaving your couch. Compared to top models, the BD08WT6 holds its own, offering efficient cooling at a more affordable price point. While it lacks smart connectivity, its performance and energy efficiency make it a solid choice among the best 8000 BTU window air conditioners. If you're seeking reliable cooling without breaking the bank, the BLACK+DECKER BD08WT6 is worth considering. At number 3 is LG Products AC Accordion Filter Kit. Did you know that a pulley-sealed window AC can leak up to 30% of its cooling power? Enter the LG Products AC Accordion Filter Kit, a $39.99 investment that transforms your 8000 BTU window air conditioner into an energy-efficient powerhouse. Designed to fit most units, including top models, this kit offers superior heat insulation, blocking 80% of external heat while being wind and dust proof. Its durable construction ensures longevity, and the easy installation means you have a snug fit in no time. While it lacks smart features, the energy savings and enhanced comfort it provides make it a worthy addition to your cooling setup. If you're looking to maximize your AC's efficiency and comfort, the LG Accordion Filter Kit is a smart choice. At number 2 is Litake Energy Saving. Did you know that the Litake 8000 BTU Smart Inverter Window Air Conditioner operates at a whisper-quiet 41 decibels, quieter than a typical refrigerator? Priced at $359.99, this unit efficiently cools spaces up to 370 sq.ft, making it ideal for bedrooms and living rooms. Its high SEER of 15 ensures energy savings, and features like sleep and eco modes enhance efficiency. Control is seamless with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing adjustments via smartphone or remote. Compared to top models, the Litake stands out with its affordability and smart features. While it lacks voice assistant integration, its quiet operation and energy efficiency make it a top contender among the best 8000 BTU window air conditioners. If you're seeking a balance of performance and value, the Litake is a compelling choice. Now moving to the last one is Windmill WhisperTech Ultra Quiet and Smart. The Windmill 8000 BTU window air conditioner with WhisperTech operates at just 42 decibels, making it one of the quietest units available, ideal for bedrooms and offices. Its sleek curved design and auto-dimming LED display blend seamlessly into modern interiors. This Energy Star rated unit efficiently cools spaces up to 350 feet, directing airflow upward for even distribution without direct drafts. Smart features include Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing control via a smartphone app or voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Compared to top models, the Windmill stands out for its ultra-quiet operation and user-friendly installation. While it lacks a built-in heater, its eco-friendly R32 refrigerant and energy efficiency make it a compelling choice among the best 8000 BTU window air conditioners. If you prioritize quiet, efficient cooling with smart capabilities, the Windmill is a top contender. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.